front door right here. And there's a pretty big cove here to the left. Has a full-length mirror. I guess you can put bags and stuff here. Full-length mirror. And then we come back to the right. Pretty bright bathroom. I love bright bathrooms. I love when there is lights around the mirror. Clean inside. Pump lotion right here from Balmain or Balmain. Yeah, that's the Italian brand, right? Oh, Paris. Yeah, Balmain Paris. Yes. Very clean. Have wood accents right here. Got the hair dryer there. And then it's gonna be a tub and a shower with the 2 heads. That's great, love that. Still have the Balmain. Inside the tub looks fine. The toilet area with the towel rack there. And then we have these 2 doors for the closet. Has a perfect place to place the bag, iron, all that good stuff, robes. Love when the robes are here. Drawer down there. And then if we turn all the way around, we have, I guess, our coffee station, water. And then down here, let's see. Yeah, we have a chiller or a mini fridge, I guess. Slides out with our coffee, some nice tea it looks like. Haven't seen that brand before. Let's see if I can zoom into it. Whatever brand that is, looks nice. Then we got the chiller, and then in here, empty. Well, that's cool. Then we have the floors right here. We have the main part of the room. This one has that little bench there. Yeah, this is definitely a renovated room from the other time I've been here. Got these kind of rug couches right there. I'm calling it rug couch. The wall right there has some ribs in it. TV. And then trash can. And yeah. Little mirror right there. Plug in. Cool plugs. This is the room, folks. The alarm clock looks cool. Not much of a view outside here in Buckhead. Parking lot, strip mallish, busy road. It's dark out. You can see Atlanta, never mind. What am I talking about? You can see it. The city. This is the room, folks.